Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play an E major chord, the way I do it. I'm going to give you a little bit of theory, and then finally I'm going to give you an alternative way to play this chord. The E major chord uses 3 fingers, the first, the second and the third. And if you'll see the chord chart there and have a look at my fingers, we'll see the positions. The first finger goes at the first fret of the G or 3rd string. The second finger goes on the 2nd fret of the A or 5th string, and then the 3rd finger tucks in behind the 2nd at the same fret, the 2nd, but of the D or 4th fret. It's a great chord, and for this you can play all 6 strings and it gives you a really great major chord sound. The great thing from this chord, you can go to the A chord relatively easy by lifting up the first finger, shifting over these 2 fingers here, and then sticking the little finger at the 2nd fret there. Also, going to the E minor chord is so easy because all you need to do is just lift up the first finger. So you've got the major and then the minor. Great sounds. If you're not sure of those other chords, then please check the link in the description for lessons on them. So let's talk a little bit about the theory of that chord. Now, to make a chord, basically what you need are 3 notes, and these 3 notes make up what we call a triad. And there's the E major scale there, and to make a chord and make an E major chord, we need the 1st note, the 3rd note and the 5th note of the scale. And in this case what we have is an E, a G sharp and a B. Those are the 3 notes that we need to make up this chord. And if we actually look on the guitar, we'll find where that triad is, and it's on the 2nd fret of the D. That gives us an E note. The 1st fret of the G gives us our G sharp, and then we have the open B string gives us, well, the B. And as I said, you can play all the strings on this chord because the low note here is an E. The next string, the 5th string, at the 2nd fret is, at the 2nd fret is a B. So we've got E and a B. Really great sound that, isn't it? If you're getting value out of this lesson, then please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and press that notification bell to get more content just like this. An alternative way of playing this chord, and it's the way that Paul McCartney plays this chord, is we're still using the 1st, 2nd and 3rd fingers. The 1st finger is still at the same fret, the 1st one of the G or the 3rd string, but these 2 swap around. So we now have the 2nd finger on the D string at the 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger comes over to the 2nd fret of the A string. For me that's a little bit uncomfortable. I much prefer it this way. I like tucking in the 3rd finger behind the 2nd. That feels so much more natural. Maybe that's just the way I learnt it, I'm not sure. The other problem I have with the alternative version is that sometimes this finger here touches this low E string and I get a dampened sound, which is why I prefer my way. Let me know which version of the E chord you use. Do you use my way or do you use the McCartney way? If you're not busy now, why not click the link here for a lesson on the A major chord, or here for a lesson on the E minor chord. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.